Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss exercise 8 question number 1 to 11 of ML Agarwal class 9 mathematics. So let us start solving this exercise in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let us solve here exercise 8 of ML Agarwal mathematics. So in this exercise, we will use some basic formulas which it is important to know. So let us know those formulas. First of all, we have to know that we have read that if a is any real number and n is any natural number, then a की power n is equal to a into a dot 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 n times. So this is the first thing which we have to know, basic thing I'm telling you, where a is called the base and n is called the exponent or index. So here an is the exponential form. Now we have to know the formulas. As second part you see as am dot an. If it is written somewhere, we can write it as am plus n. Third formula here is am the whole power n equal to a m into n. Now the fourth part here is am divided by an. We can write it as am minus n. And fifth formula am dot b dot m. If somewhere it is written that, we can write it as ab whole power m. So it is fifth formula. Now sixth part is a divided by m ki whole power m. We can write it as a ki power m divided by b ki power m. Now the seventh formula here it is a minus n. We can write it as 1 by a ki whole power n and here 1 by a ki power n. Now eighth formula is an equal to bn, where n is not equal to 0 equal to a equal to b. So n is not equal to 0. Now here ninth part is am equal to an is equal to m is equal to n, provided that a is not equal to 1. And if p and q are different positive numbers here, then pmqn equal to plqk. Means if here are two positive numbers and pm and qn is equal to pl and qk, then it will be m is equal to L and n is equal to k. So this is the basic formulas which we need to know before solving this exercise. Now let us solve here the question number 1 of exercise 8. We have to simplify firstly. So here it is 81 divided by 16 to power minus 3 by 4. So we can solve it by writing as 3 की power 4 and 2 की power 4 divided by whole power minus 3 by 4. So we can write it as 3 by 2 ka whole power 4 into minus 3 by 4. This will be cancelled out and here we will get 3 by 2 ka whole power minus 3. We can write it as 2 by 3 the whole power 3. So we can simplify as 8 divided by 27 as the answer here in this question. Now, the second part of the first question is 161 divided by 64 is power minus 2 by 3. Here we can write it as 125 divided by 64 की whole power minus 2 by 3. Simply we can write it as 5 5 into, here we can write as 5 की power 3 divided by 4 की power 3 whole power minus 2 by 3. So simply we can write as 5 divided by 4 की whole power 3 into minus 2 by 3. This will be cancelled out and here we will get 5 by 4 का whole power minus 2. Simplifying it, we can write this as 4 by 5 ka whole power 2 and we can solve it. 4 into 4 is 16 and 5 into 5 is 25. So this is the answer of this question here. Now let us solve question number 2, first part here, which is 2a minus 3b square ka whole cube. So here it will be on solving 2 की power cube, a की power minus 9 on multiplying and b की power 6. On simplifying, we will get a minus 9, b की power 6 as the answer here in this question. Now let us solve the second part, which is a inverse plus b inverse ab का whole inverse. We can write it as 1 by a plus 1 by b divided by 1 by ab equal to a plus b divided by ab into ab. This will be cancelled out hence, and here we will get a plus b as the final answer here in this question. Now let us solve question number third, first part, which is x inverse y inverse divided by x inverse plus y inverse. So it will be on solving here 1 by xy divided by 1 by x plus 1 by y. On simplifying, we will get 1 by xy into xy divided by x plus y. So this will be cancelled out, and here we will get 1 by x plus y as the answer here in this question. Now we will solve here the second part, which is 4 into 10 की power 7. Here it is 6 into 10 की power minus 5 and up divided by 8 into 10 की power 10. So on solving this, now we can write it here as 4 into 6 as 6 into 4 as 24 into 10 the power 7 minus 5. It will be 7 minus 5 divided by 8 into 10 की power 10. This will be cancelling out, and here we will get 3 into 10 की power 2. On subtracting this value, 2 minus 10, again we will get 3 into 10 की power minus 8 as the answer here in this question. Now let us solve question number 4, first part, which is 3a divided by b inverse here plus 2b divided by a inverse. We can simply write it on solving 3a divided by 1 by b plus 2b divided by 1 by a. So here we can write it as 3 ab plus 2ab. On multiplying it, now 3ab plus 2ab is equal to 5ab as the answer here in the first part. Now second part here is 5 की power 0 into 4 inverse plus 8 1 by 3. So simply here we can write it as 5 की power 0 as 1 into 1 by 4 plus 8 under root cube 2. So this will be 1 by 4 plus 2 equal to 1 plus 8 divided by 4. So this will be 9 by 4 as the answer here in this question. Now let us solve first part here, which is 8 divided by 125 का whole minus 1 by 3. Simply we can write it as 125. To write it in the 1 by 3 form as power. So this will be, if it is inversed, we take reciprocal, we get 1 by 3 as the power. Now simply we can take under root cube. So this will be 5 from here, and here it is 2. So this is the answer here in this question. Now second part here is 0.027 whole power 1 by minus 1 by 3. We can simply, firstly we will write in a simplified manner as 27 divided by 1000, and here my inverse minus 1 by 3. So you can write it as 1000 divided by 27 ka whole under root cube. This, on taking under root cube, we will get as 10 and here as 3. So on writing, we can write it as 3 1 plus 3. So this is the 1 by 3. This is the answer of fifth second. Now let us solve first question here, which is minus 1 by 27 का whole power minus 2 by 3. So here we can simply write as minus 1 by 27 as reciprocal firstly. So this will be written as 27 to remove minus here. So minus 27 will be 2 by 3 because we have taken the reciprocal. Now we can simply write as the cube. So minus 3 की power cube is equal to into 2 by 3. So 3 will be cancelled out from here, and here we will get minus 3 ka whole square. So minus will be cancelled out, and here we will get 9 as the final answer in the first part. Now let us solve the second part, which is 64 का whole power minus 2 by 3 divided by 9 minus 3 by 2. Simply again we can write it as the 4 की power cube minus 2 by 3 divided by 3 की power 3, and here minus 3 by 3 की power 2, sorry, minus 3 by 2. Here again this 3 and 3 will be cancelled out, and 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and here we will get 4 की power minus 2 divided by 3 की power minus 3. So 1 by 16, and here divided by 1 by uh, 1 by as 27. So it will be, uh, if we divide by 1 by 27, 27 will come in as multiplying it. So this will be on multiplication and divided by 1. Now we can write it as 27 by 16, and on solving this we will get 1, 11, 16 as the final answer here in this question. Let us solve seventh first part here, which is 27 to n की power divided by 3 into 8 minus n divided by 6 divided by 18 minus n by 2, which will be equal to 3 की power 3 into 2n divided by 3 into 2 की power 4. So it will be 2 की power 3, sorry, because 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. So it will be minus n by 6 divided by 3 की power 2 into 2, here minus n by 2 whole power. This will be cancelled out, and this here 2 on cancelling out, it will be 3 की power 2n into 2 की power minus n by 2 divided by 3 की power minus 2n divided by 2. So 2 will be cancelled out from here only, and here 2 minus n by 2. Now we can simply cancel out this part also. It will be 3 2n. Here n is left out, so plus n, because minus and minus will be plus. So 3 की power 3n is the final answer here in this question. So now let us solve seventh second part here, which is 5 multiplied by 25 n plus 1 minus 25 multiplied by 5 की power 2n divided by 5 into 5 की power 2n plus 3 minus 25 की power n plus 1. Simply we can write here as 5 into, on simplifying, 25 की power n dot 25 minus 25 dot 5 की power 2n. So it will be 5 here, and here it will be 5 की power 2n dot 5 की power 3 minus 25 की power n dot 25. Simply we can take here common as 5 की power 2n or 25. So it will be, firstly we will take 25 as common, so it will be 5 into 25n minus 5 की power 2n. Here also we can take common as 25, so it will be 5 की power 2n dot 5 का square minus 25 n. Now we can simply cancel out here, and here it will be 5 की power square, we can write it as, so 5 2n also as common, so it will be 5 minus 1, and here 5 की power 2 and again common, so it will be 5 का whole square means 25 minus 1. Simply we can cancel out this part, and here it is 4 by 24, which will be 4 divided by 24, so it will be 1 by 6 as the final answer here in this. Now let us solve 8 first part, which is 8 की power minus 4 by 3 divided by 2 की power minus 2, and here it will be 1 by 2. Simply we can write here as 2 की power 3 and minus 4 by 3 divided by 2 की power minus 2. So this we can write here as in under root 1 by 2. So this will be cancelled out, and here we will get 2 की power minus 4 divided by 2 की power minus 2 on 1 under root 1 by 2. So now we can firstly take base as common, and when we take base as common on divide, we can use it as minus a. If it is written a की power n and a की power m, so we can simply write it as a की power n minus m. So this is only the formula which we are going to use here in this question. So minus 4 minus minus 2, and here under root 1 by 2. So 2 minus 4 plus 2 as minus 2 only, and here it will be under root 1 by 2 का whole square. On taking reciprocal, minus will be out here, and here now we can take as under root. So simply 1 का under root is 1 only, so we can write here as 2. So this is the answer here in this. Now let us solve 8 second part here, which is on solving, it is 27 divided by 8 the power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 the whole power minus 2 plus 5 की power 0. Now we can simply write it as 3 divided by 2 the whole cube, and here also 2 by 3. We can take reciprocal to remove minus from here, so it will be 4 की power 4 का square plus 5 की power 0 is equal to 1, because any number power 0 is equal to 1 only. So here we can cancel out 3. On solving, on taking a square, we will get 9 by 4 minus 16 plus 1. So it will be 9 by 4 minus 15, and 15 into 4 will be approximately, so this will be 9 minus 60 divided by 4. On subtracting this value, we will get minus 51 by 4. Now we can simply solve it as minus 12 and here 3 by 4. So this is the final answer here in this question. Now let us solve ninth first part here, which is 3x का square here and whole minus 3 into x की power 9 and 2 by 3 की whole power is 2 by 3. Simply we can write it as, on multiplying 3 की power minus 3 x की power minus 6 into, this will be cancelled out, and here we will get 3, so x की power 6. Now we can write it as 3 minus 3 and x की power minus 6, so it will be 1 by 3 की power 3 into 1 by x की power 6 into x की power 6. This will be cancelled out, and here we will get 1 by 27 as the final answer in the ninth first part. Now we can solve 9 second part also here, which will be 8 x की power 4 का whole power 1 by 3 divided by x की power 1 by 3. Simply we can write it as 2 on taking the cube root here, so it will be 2, and here x 4 by 3 divided by x की power 1 by 3. So here we can write it as 2x की power 4 by 3 by using the formula of a की power m and a की power n as a m की power m minus n. So it will be 4 minus divided by 3 minus 1 by 3, which will be equal to 2x 3 by 3, and here it is 1. So this is the final answer here in the 9th part. Now let us solve 10th first part, which is 3 की power 2 का whole power 0 plus 3 की power minus 4 into 3 की power 6 plus 1 by 3 का whole power minus 2. We can simply write as here its whole value will be 0 because 9 की power 0 is equal to 1 only. So 3 की power minus 4 we can take reciprocal here as 1 by 3 की power 4 into 3 की power 6 plus here also we can take reciprocal to remove minus from here, so it will be 3 की power square. Now we can simply cancel out here 3 की power 4 and 3 की power 6, so it will be 3 की power 2 only. So 1 plus 9 plus 9 will be equal to 19 as the final answer in 10th first part. Now let us solve 10th second part here, which is 9 की power 5 by 2 minus 3 dot in multiplied by 5 की power 0 minus 1 by 81 का whole minus 1 by 2. Here also we can write as 3 का square whole power 5 by 2 minus 3 into 1 as 3. Here 81 as on taking reciprocal we will get 81. 81 under root will be 9. So here we can write as 9 into 9 will be 81 into 3 minus 3 minus 9, which is equal to 3 here, and 243 minus 12, it will be 2 231 approximately. So this is the final answer here in this question. Here we are going to solve 11th first part, which is 16 की power 3 by 4 plus 2 1 by 2 minus 1 multiplied by 3 की power 0. 3 की power 0 will be only 1 only. So here we can write as 2 की power 4 की whole power 3 by 4 plus on taking reciprocal as 2 into 2 and into 1 here. So we can simply cancel out 4 and 4 here. So it will be 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 as the final answer here in this question. Now let us solve the second part of 11th question, which is 81 की whole power 3 by 4 minus 1 by 32 की whole power minus 2 by 5 plus 8 की power 1 by 3, and here 1 by 2 के whole power minus 1 multiplied by 2 की power 0. So simply we can write it as 9 का whole square, and here 3 by 4 or 3 की power 4 we can also write it as 3 की power 4 and whole power 3 by 4. Here also 4 minus taking reciprocal here we will get 32 की power 2 by 5 plus 8 की power 1 by 3 we can write it as 2, and here also taking reciprocal we will get 4 on multiplying. So 4 4 will be cancelled out from here, and here we will get 27 minus 32 here. So 2 की power 5 and 5 5 will be cancelled out, and 2 की power then again 2 will be 4 plus 4. This will be cancelled out, and here from here only 27 is the final answer of the 11th second part.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.